again. Thank you for following us. Thank you for your support. Today we have a very important and very beautiful website. So as you can see that the artificial intelligence is overwhelming our life, and our life is becoming like invaded day after day by the use of technology and the artificial technology and the artificial devices that use artificial intelligence, which is making our life a little bit, to some extent, easier, let's say, though it's becoming us, it's pushing us to be a little bit lazier, let's say. So anyway, our today's website is open source alternative.to, and this website uh, provides us with so many tools, and all of these tools are put into categories. As you can see in front of us here, there are so many categories: analytic, documentation, e-commerce, communication, etc., depending on what do you need. Okay, so if you are looking for a tool that has to do with e-commerce, you just like click here, and so many programs and tools would appear in this area. Same thing if you are interested in design, for example. Let's see design. Many people like to design these days because so many people are now interested in images, videos, and a lot of things. So as you can see here, there are plenty of tools and softwares that you can use that use the AI, and they are alternatives to many softwares that we use in our daily life, and we used to use back with before the artificial intelligence. So as you can, I'm going to talk about this website, which is a kind of or this tool, which is a kind of an alternative to Photoshop. As you can see here, it's an alternative to Photoshop. There are three tools here, or maybe two tools here, that are important, and they are alternatives to Photoshop. This is the first one, which is Krita. This is very important, actually, very amazing, very good, and very useful. And the GIMP, which is again an alternative to Photoshop 2. So what you do is that you just click here on the tool, okay, and then the tool or the page give some description about what is this about, and so many other information that you can, like, if you're interested to read about. And then you go here to this place, and then you click, and once you click, the website takes you to another page which has to do with now the real web page for the Krita program, which is an alternative to Photoshop. And then the next step that you need to do is that you will download the software or the app. And of course, the app supports Windows, Linux, or Mac and Apple laptops. You just have to click here, and then you download, depending on the window. If you have Windows, if it is like 64 bits or 34 bits, depending on your the program or the PC or the laptop that you are using, you can choose from here or choose from here. So that's about today's website. Thank you a bunch, and see you next.